Welcome back to Cooking with Rashee. Today we're making delicious and nutritious date ladoos. These little power pack treats are not just yummy, they're full of ingredients that are great for your body, hair, and skin. So let's get cooking. For these ladoos, you'll need chopped nuts. I love using pistachios, cashews, and almonds. They add crunch and healthy fats that nourish your brain and heart. We'll also need melon seeds and pumpkin seeds. These are packed with vitamins and minerals that help strengthen hair and nails and improve skin elasticity. We'll also need shredded coconut, which is full of fiber and healthy fats for lasting energy. You'll also need flaxseed powder, which is great for digestion and a natural source of omega-3s. We'll need just a little ghee for that rich flavor and also a good source of fat-soluble vitamins. And of course, sweet natural dates. They act as a binder and are loaded with antioxidants. First, we'll need to make sure our dates are pitted. If they're not, remove the pits. Then run the dates through a food processor until they reach a soft, mushy consistency. If they're a bit dry and hard to process, soak them in warm water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Drain the water, pat the dates dry, and then run them through the food processor. Just pulse the food processor a couple times until you get a consistency that looks something like this. Add it to your mixing bowl and set it aside. We'll come back to it in a little bit. Now we'll roast our nuts. So heat a pan with a little ghee in it and roast the pistachios, cashews, and almonds until they turn a little golden and fragrant. This step brings out their flavor and crunch. Add them to your mixing bowl with the dates. Now we'll roast the melon seeds and pumpkin seeds. Make sure there is a little ghee in the pan. A quick roast enhances their flavor and makes them easier to digest. Add these to the mixing bowl as well. Time for the shredded coconut. Again, make sure there's a little ghee in the pan. Roast it lightly for a couple minutes. This brings out its natural aroma, gives it a lightly crisp texture, and helps release healthy fats, which makes it mix better with the other ingredients. Once it's slightly golden, add it to the mixing bowl with the other ingredients. Finally, sprinkle in your flaxseed powder. If you don't have it ready, simply roast whole flax seeds and grind them into a powder. This adds a nice nutty flavor and a boost of omega-3s. Now mix everything together thoroughly. The dates act as a natural binder, so you don't need any additional sweeteners or ingredients. Once everything is combined, start forming your ladoos with your hands. They'll come together quickly and easily. These ladoos are nutrient dense and packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, and antioxidants, making them perfect to enjoy once a day as a natural energy boost to support digestion and to keep your skin and hair healthy. Because these ladoos are naturally sweet and energy dense, it's best to enjoy them in cooler weather or when your body isn't overheated. During the hot summer months, eating too many can feel heavy. If you do want to enjoy them, balance it out with light, cooling foods like fresh fruits or yogurt to keep your body in harmony. They're a simple way to fuel your day, support your immunity, and keep your energy steady without relying on processed sugar. On top of that, the combination of dates, nuts, and seeds help keep your digestion smooth, your skin glowing, and your hair strong. These little ladoos are a natural pick-me-up, perfect for when you need a boost during the day, a post-workout snack, or just a wholesome treat that satisfies your sweet tooth the healthy way. To keep them fresh, store your ladoos in an airtight container at room temperature for up to a week or in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. They also freeze well if you want to make a bigger batch. Just thaw before enjoying. And that's it. Nutritious, energy-packed date ladoos ready to enjoy. If you found this video helpful and you enjoyed this recipe, let me know in the comments. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to Cooking with Rashee. I'll see you soon in a new recipe.